Look at that. One more beautiful move here, 1141 right there. All you got to do, wait for that 20-day moving average, which is this magenta level here. And once again, you see the market building liquidity. Penny perfect with that orange. And you see that happening here, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful trade. Now, don't despise this particular trade here. This is 5 points, just like that. Just one move here, 5 points right there. And magenta started building more liquidity even for another leg down. You see how penny perfect that magenta is, isn't it? Penny perfect right there. So as long as you unlock the magenta algorithm for the day, which we did so at 9:47, remember, right here at 9:47. Once you unlocked the magenta algorithm, all you had to do is to wait for structure for the entire day here. You do not have to catch the full trade, even if you miss this initial trade. Absolutely fine, because from the news and the initial reaction at 6:66 all the way to end of day at 6:53, that's still 13 points. Can you see that? But if you lost focus right here, emotionally and psychologically, you would have completely missed the entire move. What will you be doing? You'll be losing focus. You'll be trying to call for the reversal at every opportunity. And in this case, there was absolutely no reason to call the reversal. I talked about this pink algorithm, right? I said you have to wait for pink to start building liquidity. You have never seen it trade above pink for the entire day. Penny perfect. Take a look. Why do you want to call for the reversal? And so all you have to do, wait for magenta and orange to start building liquidity and make as much money as you can on the way down. Absolutely beautiful day. As long as you are prepared. And what I mean by being prepared is understanding the macro structure. And this is how we prepare every single day. And more than just preparing for the macro structure, it's also training yourself and practicing every single day. So when the time comes like today, you are prepared, not because you knew what's going to happen, but because you are already prepared, trained, well practiced, and you have become more skillful because you put in the work every single day in order to extract a day when the market is kind to you. And that's what it means. We can do this every single day. You see me do this every single day. So whether this is a big day or a small day for the market, it is just another day that you report into work and you make profits. You find profits in the chart.